Finding the right rework soldering station can make a huge difference in repair quality and efficiency. A weak soldering iron, unstable temperature control, or limited functionality can turn even simple jobs into frustrating tasks. Whether you're repairing smartphones, working on PCBs, handling SMD components, or performing professional electronics maintenance, having reliable equipment is essential. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best rework soldering stations you can buy. We researched specifications, features, and user feedback to create this list. Check the links in the description for updated prices. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Number 5. YIHUA 938D Portable Tweezers Soldering Station. The YIHUA 938D is a specialized soldering station designed for precision SMD work and chip desoldering applications. Its heated tweezer design allows users to remove small electronic components quickly and safely without damaging nearby parts. Featuring adjustable temperature control and compatibility with both 110-volt and 220-volt power systems, it offers flexibility for different work environments. The compact station heats up rapidly and maintains stable temperatures during operation. Ideal for electronics repair technicians, PCB rework projects, and delicate SMD welding tasks, this station provides excellent precision and convenience for professional-level component removal. Number 4. OSS T12X Plus Soldering Station. The OSS T12X++ is a powerful soldering station built around the highly respected T12 heating system. Known for its rapid heat-up speed and accurate temperature control, it delivers consistent performance for PCB repairs, mobile phone servicing, and electronics assembly work. The station supports interchangeable T12 tips, allowing users to handle everything from fine solder joints to larger repair tasks. Its digital interface makes temperature adjustments simple and precise. Compact yet capable, the T12X++ is an excellent choice for hobbyists and professionals looking for fast heating, reliable performance, and versatile soldering capabilities. Number 3. FNIRSI DWS200 Soldering Station. The FNIRSI DWS200 is a high-performance 200-watt soldering station designed for demanding repair and rework applications. Supporting both C210 and C245 soldering tips, it provides exceptional flexibility for precision soldering as well as larger thermal workloads. The powerful heating system reaches working temperature quickly and maintains excellent stability during extended use. It also includes a practical helping hand accessory that improves convenience when handling small electronic components. Whether you're repairing motherboards, working on advanced electronics projects, or performing professional rework tasks, the DWS200 offers impressive power, speed, and precision in a modern package. Number 2. Silverflo 8586D 2-in-1 Soldering Station. The Silverflo 8586D combines a soldering iron and hot air rework gun into a single compact workstation, making it an excellent solution for electronics repair professionals. Dual digital displays provide real-time monitoring of temperature settings for both tools, ensuring precise control throughout the repair process. The built-in 10-minute sleep mode helps extend component life and improve energy efficiency. Perfect for SMD rework, chip replacement, PCB repairs, and general electronics maintenance, this versatile station eliminates the need for separate devices while delivering reliable performance and professional-grade functionality at an affordable price. Number 1. SUGON T21 120-watt soldering station. The SUGON T21 earns the top spot thanks to its powerful 120-watt output, professional-grade performance, and excellent compatibility with multiple tip systems, including 115, 210, and 245 series tips. Its wire-controlled handle provides comfortable operation and precise control during detailed soldering tasks. Fast heating technology ensures minimal waiting time, while advanced temperature regulation maintains stable performance even during intensive repair work. Suitable for BGA repairs, smartphone servicing, PCB rework, and professional electronics maintenance, the T21 delivers outstanding versatility, accuracy, and reliability. For serious technicians seeking premium performance, this station is one of the best options available. A quality rework soldering station can dramatically improve repair speed, precision, and overall results. These 5 models offer excellent temperature control, fast heating, and dependable performance for electronics repair and PCB work. Whether you're a beginner or a professional technician, there's a perfect option here for your workshop. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews.